Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of a 1969 Dart. This baby's been restored since 2015. It's got a 416 stroker in it, black interior, it's Hemi Orange, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna look under the hood. We're gonna look at that interior. We're gonna look at the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Dart investment. So come on up and we'll fire this 416 up now. Check this beauty out, man. The grille looks great. The chrome looks like it's in beautiful shape. That may be the original chrome, just very, very well kept since 1969. The trim here on the front of the hood looks good. The emblem's in good shape. Look down the side of it. She's straight as an arrow, and yeah, it's got Cragars on it, guys. In 1969 or 1970, that's what you put on your car if you were cool right there, man. That thing is sweet. And look how that door lines up. Beautiful. All the trim here is in good shape. All the chrome here looks good. Door handle looks like it may be original too, in beautiful shape. And the vinyl on the top is gorgeous. Door operates nice and smooth. The door jambs nicely painted. The rubber looks good. The door panel itself looks great. The door paint job here is also beautiful. We've got great looking carpeting in the car there. The dash itself's in beautiful shape. There is seat belts in the front and in the rear. Package tray's in good shape. Headliner's in good shape. Dome light's even working. And take a look at that dash pad. The dash pad's in beautiful shape. All the lenses on all the gauges look good. We've got a 2-pack of gauges there underneath the dash there. Everything you need to keep this baby going down the road and heading out to the car show and picking up ice cream. Love the Dart Swinger tail stripe on it also. Again, the back bumper looks like it's probably original to the car and it's in beautiful shape. That goes to show you someone took very good care of this car since 1969. And look in that trunk. Looks brand new. And all you Mopar guys know, you gotta look at the floors and the trunks. Look at that trunk floor. Beautiful. Now the spare tire hole here, let's see if there's a tire in there. Yep, there's a space saver spare in there. Just beautiful. We got a jack and a lug wrench in here. And when you look down the side of the car, look how nice and straight that paintwork is. It's gorgeous. Hemi Orange, guys. Look how that door fits. The line's nice. Nicely lined up there, operates nice and smooth. Beautiful car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own all of our inventory. So you can bet we put my 35 years of experience into buying this baby. We spent the time, we checked it out before we bought it. When we bring them here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now let's go outside and run this baby. All right, we're in the Dart now. Now it's nasty outside, so we're not gonna drive this beautiful car in its nasty weather. But I tell you what, listen to that baby sing, man. She is sweet. Now we got the tack down here on the dash working. We got our gauges here underneath the dash. We got oil pressure and water temp. The AM radio is there, but it is not working. The horn's blowing, no problem whatsoever. The windshield wipers are wiping. I tell you what, this Dart is sweet, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513. We can park this dream in your driveway anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call. And we offer financing on these cars too. So if you need help with financing, call Tom. We got 2 bankers we work with. If you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you. We're only 20 minutes from the airport, so please hop on a plane. If you want to hop in your car, we're actually open on Saturdays. Make a road trip up. Check us all out, man. We're gonna get this thing up on the lift so you can check out how nice the bottom side is. Then we're gonna take a look at that stroker motor under the hood. All right, we're underneath this 69 Dart now, and she's pretty under here too, man. It has been undercoated, but it is solid as a rock. Frame is solid, the drop downs are solid. All the paintwork back here looks good. You can see they put a new gas tank in it. It's got helper springs. It does have a brand new exhaust system that's 2.5 inch, and we do have disc brakes out back. In this 489 case, we have a 391 gear, and it is a sure grip. That means it's a Posi, guys. We got pipes, mufflers here. Frames nice and solid here. Floorboards, again, undercoated, but they're beautiful. Pinch weld looks good. Bottom sides of the rockers are nice and solid. We got a X-pipe here. 727 trans. This is not numbers matching. It's actually like a 75, 76 model 727. As you can see, it's got some good looking headers. These things have been painted up nice. It actually looks like a jet coating. Back side of the rockers up here look good. Bottom side of the front fenders looks good. We do have disc brakes up front. Everything's painted up nice and neat underneath here. K-member looks great. Bushings all are in good shape. The guys will check out all the steering gear. It's in good shape. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Back sides of the front fenders are nice and clean. That lip looks good all the way around. I always take a look back here in the back where that tire's kicking shit up all those years. But this looks all original, no patchwork here. It's beautiful. Everything about the car, it's gorgeous under here, guys. Nice, solid car. Core support's nice. That's another thing I always look at, because these core supports, again, they catch junk in them, and it's a little bit thinner metal than the rest of the bottom side of the motor. So that core support really tells the story on the car. This one is beautiful. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got Cragars on this baby, and she has got 205 6015s. Again, the lip mold opening here looks good, and always check the bottom sides of the quarters. All I feel is nice smooth metal underneath there. That quarter's solid as a rock. Let's get under the back. All right, out back here we got a little bit more rubber on the ground. We got 245 6015s. Again, good looking Cragars. You can see those rotors look good. And one of the other things you need to check on every car is you need to feel that edge where that inner wheelhouse comes to the quarter. It's nice and clean. Take a look at this pinch weld. This pinch weld looks great. Look at the bottom side of the rocker. It looks great. Let's get under the hood. All right, look under the hood of this baby. Now, this is a 340 that's been stroked out to 416 is what the previous owners told us. It's got a weigh-in intake on it. It's got a 750 Holley on it. It's got a great looking fuel line set up on it. All the hoses look good. The wiring all looks good. Now, this is a go fast car, guys. She's got manual brakes and manual steering. Inner fenders here are all nicely painted. Firewall's all nicely painted. You know, on these old cars, normally that looks ugly. It looks brand spanking new. Bottom side of the hood looks good. Just an amazing looking car, guys. I tell you, take this to any show, pop the hood, and be proud. It's got a polished up aluminum radiator in it, the fan shroud here. It looks like a stock fan on it. Everything about the car is amazing, guys. She's a 69. She's got a stroked out 340 in her. She's got a big old Holley on her. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.